Adik ka ba si earphones? Ako hindi naman. Natutuwa lang ako kasi sa mga panahon ngayon, ang dami-dami mo ng options. Meron ka na nito mga A9 Pro na iba't ibang klase. So gumawa ako ng series tungkol sa A9 Pro. Pero ang nireview ko mostly is this blue version. Meron din itong white version that functions almost the same as the blue version. Yung software nga lang niya inside the case is different from the blue version. As of writing, I'm still investigating the white version. I might post new videos about it, but the thing with the white version is that I don't think the ANC is working. The earphones nonetheless are actually good earphones compared to the other earphones I've tested. Mas konti nga lang ang features nito, pero ito, kailangan mo ng app to actually maximize. Kasi para na siyang smartwatch. I'll be honest, the app is not that good. And nakakatakot pa, baka ninanakaw niya information mo. Kinaklarify ko po sa seller, how do we differentiate between the two? Pero for the price that you're getting these earphones, panalo ka na rin. Noise cancellation, multifunctional case, in the range of 300 to 500 pesos. Hindi ka nalugi. So if you're still deciding to buy the A9 Pro, go ahead. I'm using this now. I love it. Yan yung software ng blue. Yung white, actually, titiyan mo ng white. Medyo komplikado na siya eh. Parang siyang smartwatch talaga. Tapos ito pa, meron siyang Flappy Birds. So, ganun naka-complicated tong software nitong white. See? May Flappy Birds. So, kung gusto mo na ng basic earphones and ayaw mo nang masyadong maraming features, gusto mo yung clear ANC and all of those good stuff, then get the blue one. Kung gusto mo ng parang smartwatch, then get the white one, which has a lot more features and a lot more things to tinker around with. Yun lang, I just wanted to get this video out before you start seeing all of my videos around the A9 Pro. Thank you.